Hello and welcome to Fresh Business and Tech News. I'm your host, bringing you the top business and technology headlines from around the world on this August 16th, 2025. Let's get started. Markets remain upbeat as Wall Street continues its strong run. The Dow Jones added 141 points, driven by investor optimism about a possible rate cut from the U.S. Federal Reserve in September. UnitedHealth shares surged more than 10% after Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway disclosed a major stake in the company. However, not all was positive. Applied Materials dropped over 12% following weak revenue guidance, dragging tech stocks lower. Meanwhile, Amazon, Netflix, Blackstone, and Micron are approaching technical buy points, signaling fresh opportunities for investors. But the focus now shifts to Jackson Hole, where Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech could set the stage for rate decisions in the months ahead. Global trade tensions are rising. The United States has canceled its planned delegation visit to India later this month, stalling the sixth round of trade talks. This comes just as steep 50% tariffs on Indian exports are set to take effect on August 27th. At the same time, the Trump-Putin summit concluded without a breakthrough on Ukraine. Both leaders called the talks productive, but markets were not convinced. Oil prices fell around 2%, gold edged lower, and defense stocks softened on the news. In industrial news, U.S. manufacturing technology orders jumped by 9% in June to over $429 million, a hopeful sign for continued investment in the sector. On the startup front, Irish platform Kota is reinventing how small businesses manage pensions and health benefits. Backed by €20 million in funding, Kota already partners with insurers across Europe, India, South Africa, and Canada, making employee benefits simple and affordable. Now let's move to technology. Google has rolled out the August 2025 Pixel update, fixing a critical Android 16 security flaw and improving navigation issues across Pixel devices from the 6 to the 9 series, plus the Fold and tablet. Job trends are shifting rapidly. According to Indeed, demand for AI engineers and cloud experts is surging, while traditional QA tester roles are sharply declining. IPO fever continues in the tech world. First-day gains are averaging 31%, with some stocks surging over 250% on debut, sparking concerns about overheating. Linux Mint 22.2 beta is out now, while Microsoft predicts that AI could eventually replace traditional peripherals like the mouse and keyboard. And for Windows 10 users, Edge will continue receiving updates until 2028. Google CEO Sundar Pichai confirmed that in-person interviews are being reintroduced for programming roles to prevent AI-driven cheating in recruitment. And OpenAI is working on a new browser, codenamed Perplexity Comet, which will integrate ChatGPT agents for advanced local automation. Meanwhile, SpaceX is preparing for two key launches this week: a NASA resupply mission to the International Space Station and the deployment of the U.S. military's secretive X-37B spaceplane. In India, Dixon Technologies has announced a Rs 370 crore joint venture with HKC to produce advanced display modules, a major step in boosting domestic electronics manufacturing. And that wraps up today's edition of Fresh Business and Tech News. From Wall Street highs and global trade tensions to AI-powered browsers and new space missions, the world of business and technology continues to move at lightning speed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with daily business and tech headlines. See you in the next bulletin.